guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Yvonne from GingerChickRehab. I'm so glad to have you back checking out what I am up to today. So in today's video, I did a shout out on my community post if anybody would like to see how I decorate. So I was so blessed to be giving a whole bunch of stuff to go through from a friend's mom's estate. And some of the pieces I decided to keep for myself because they were just too precious and I absolutely love them. So on my community post, I gave a shout out if anybody would like to see how I decorate with the ball jars. Yes, part of the estate, and I'll link that down below, was that she gave me a whole bunch of the blue ball jars. See how I decorate with them, and then some other little places that I added some of her other mom's treasures into my home. And then just some of the other little happy places that with my thrifted find items that, yes, sometimes, yep, when you're a reseller, not only do you find things to make over or just, resell, you also find things that you just fall in love with and you add into your own home. So I definitely think as we're going into that February blah, your Christmas was so pretty, you took your Christmas down because you needed to dust it. And so then you kind of just put stuff back up, and I don't really decorate other than maybe a little at Thanksgiving and really just Christmas. So I'm not a seasonal holiday type of decorating. So I just like things that I like to have up all year long, or when I'm out thrifting, I find new things to add into our decor. So let's get started with this decorating. So I'm the type of gathering type of decorator, meaning I know I have an idea in my head. My focal point was the ball jars, and what do I want to decorate with them? And I love my ironstone, I love my white pieces, and I love wood and anything that little aged metal, like even the ball lids are just right up my alley. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using on these shelves, just to give a happy little place for me to look at. I do have some that have traveled over here too, just deciding on what I want to put on here. So this is the fun. Are you a gatherer type person of looking for items that you want to decorate, or do you just one by one go and, yep, I might steal something from another area in my house? So this is the space that we're going to be decorating on. When we first built this space, it was just a bookshelf that I thrifted. Chris put a top on it. It was our coffee bar, and then a couple shelves above it to give it that industrial look. Just a space because my kitchen is not a huge area for a large piece of furniture, but I love to add in my thrifted finds. I like the story of the ones that had the writing on them. I love that they wrote on what it was, this big one. So we're gonna go ahead and do the big ones up there, but I like where you tear them down, and a pop of wood so you can actually see them behind. These were just Hobby Lobby ones that I actually painted to match my own decor, little corbels. Nope, I didn't have any of the 13. Everybody said, do I have any of the 13s? Nope, none of the numbers on the bottom were 13. So I look, thanks guys. And 99% of this is all thrifted finds. I really don't even think there's too many purchased goods at all. See why he needed to build me this little shelf, so I had some place to display my finds that I just wasn't willing to give up and resell. Yep, this is where I got those hydrangeas. Yep, I just went outside, and this is the color that I like them to be. I know in the spring you can get that greenish purplish that's so pretty on them. They're usually white, but I love this color, and it definitely matches my decor inside. Now I actually have a space in my basement that I had my own collection of ball jars in my laundry room, my happy little space, and I had this broken clock that, nope, it does not work, but look at that patina and how that color matches these jars. Since we ended up having to get a new coffee pot, and I always have my tier tray on my island, and I know it drives my family crazy because, yep, look, this is how I decorated all those little bitty thrifted finds that just, oh, the aged wood, the aged metal, my little creamers, little bottles, and I know it drives my family crazy when they want to use the island and they have to move this. So I thought, you know what, I'll do them a favor and I'll move it over to this space where you don't have to move it all the time. A lot of times I will go in with a book stack of older books that have that patina of that aged wood for a riser. And one of the things I need to always have in this space is our calendar, what day of the week it is. And that's why I have that whole theme of when I'm thrifting and I have all those wood finds. This is the little calendar that I was gifted from a Christmas from a client years ago. And I just love how simple it is. With it being just that natural wood, it just fits right in. thank you for letting me show you how I like to decorate with thrifted finds and the gifts from Kathy. Yes, when it comes to decorating your home, just do what you love. Get inspiration. I get inspiration from all around. So I hope I have inspired anybody that may have any of the items that I use today to decorate with. Maybe inspired them to change out some of their decor for, that winter blah time. So yes, I definitely am now loving the ball jar collection here, and also all the other little vignettes that I have created that just make you smile. Your home should just make you smile. So again, thanks for watching today's video, guys. And as always, if you're part of our YouTube family, thank you so much. And so if you liked today's video, and give me a thumbs up and a quick comment of what your favorite little area that I had decorated in our home. And if you're new and you're checking out our channel for the first time and you're not already part of our YouTube family, just hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so you know when you've uploaded a new video. And we will see you next time, guys, and you can see what I'm up to. Bye!